I had never considered the future so fully until I started imagining theirs. As a parent, you are bombarded with ads telling you to buy items you need. Items that supposedly make your life better. They're almost all made of plastic with heavy packaging, and the kids quickly outgrow them. I can't help but wonder if in the long run, they're doing more harm than good. Buying plastic products is nearly unavoidable as a parent. I can feel my family's carbon footprint growing by the day, and I just want to make a better world for my children. Green Dot gives me hope by offering options for sustainable material choices when it comes to purchasing toys and products for my children. I feel better when I buy toys made from sustainable materials, and I wish there were more available in today's market. Knowing I can buy toys that were made from bioplastic materials or that are biodegradable at the end of their useful lives is a huge weight lifted. Our children deserve an amazing childhood that doesn't harm their future, and parents deserve to feel good about the products that we're buying for them. Bioplastics are the way of the future.
Green Dot Bioplastics is not a toy manufacturer. We make the raw materials that allow companies to select a better alternative to traditional plastics. Over 70% of today's consumers desire products that are more eco-friendly and renewable, and millennials are driving the demand for sustainability. As they and younger generations gain more buying power, material selection will become an increasingly important factor in purchasing decisions. At Green Dot, we are committed to improving our environment through material advances. We believe that through the research, invention, and creation of renewable, bio-based resins, we can make an actual improvement in people's lives by putting less stress on the planet. Through a variety of properties, such as compostability, sustainability, and plant-based, we believe we can make plastics a part of the solution, not the problem.
Bioplastics are the way of the future.